once we've done this, then we've done the sacral respiration, and then we can go up into the thoracic spine. So as you feel where the adjustment needs to be given, like right here on her L5, it needs to be adjusted, right? And then right here at the TL junction, right around T10, it needs to be adjusted. And then again up here at T2, it needs to be adjusted. Having a table that can elevate and come up to you, and then also having the table be able to go down for another doctor or just for your own biomechanics is really valuable.